Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ZTX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ZTX is a Web3 metaverse and a creator economy platform designed to bring true digital ownership and monetization to a massive audience, building upon the foundation of the popular Asian metaverse app Zepto. According to the website, a Web3 evolution of Zepto, it leverages the existing software and over 430 million registered users from the lending Asian metaverse onboard people in crypto. Built on three core pillars, the platform is structured around user identity, social experience, and creator development, empowering users to own assets and earning. A playground for creation and community. It functions as an immersive 3D world where users can create, trade, express themes labs, and participate in a governed digital economy. ZTX project institution rating is 4. ZTX token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 8.05 billion ZTX token. ZTX token is listed on Gate.io, Bithumb, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.